Hi guys, this is Jamie from System22 and GreatWebDesign.com. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to show you how to animate any module from your Divi theme. The Divi theme is an awesome theme from elegantthemes.com. I've used it on many web design projects and it is absolutely awesome. It is really great. It's pretty much, I'd say, the only theme you're ever going to want to buy if you're a developer. And in this video, we're going to show you how to animate the various modules. So I've just created a new page here with a few text modules and an image module and a couple of bar counters there. And I'll just show you the page here. Really exciting. Now, for those of you that know, at the moment it's just static. It's not doing anything at all. If we go back into the edit page here and go into the image module, any of you that have used it before will know you can actually animate the image. There's a little animations tab just here and you can select what you want it to do: left to right, right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top, and fade. Or no animation, what you set to at the moment. For instance, if I put it to left to right and save and just update, and then we'll preview it. Now when I scroll down, you'll see that image, it'll animate from left to right. There we are. I don't know if you noticed that. Just refresh it one more time so you can see. It comes in from left to right there. Now if you look at one of these text modules or a bar counter module or pretty much any other module, if we go in there, there's actually no option to animate it at all, and it'd be kind of nice if you could have things doing different things. For instance, let's say we've got that image coming in from left to right. Well, it'd be nice if we had the bar counters coming in the other way perhaps. And to do that, it is actually really easy. We just have to add some custom CSS here. So if we click on our edit tab, the module settings, and go to our custom CSS, we've got to add a couple of classes where it says CSS class here. And if you've already got a CSS class for it, don't worry, you can have multiple classes. It's not a problem. And the class that we need to actually add is ET animated and ET PB animation. So if I just put that in there, and on the end here, we want to put in what we want it to do. So we want right to fade from right to left, left to fade from left to right, top to fade from the top, or bottom to fade from the bottom. And I think if I've got it right here, I think I want to come in from the right. So if I just put right, RIGHT, there we go, and save it. And we'll do an update. And then go and preview our little site here. Now this time when I do a refresh, hopefully this module will come in. There we go. It's kind of hard to see, but it did actually come in from the left there. Do it one more time. What I'll do is I'll show you on one of these text sections here. So if we go back to the edit page, I'll select this text section here and go to our custom CSS and add the class. And we'll have it coming in from the right. And we've got to save it. And then we'll preview it. Now if I refresh the page, you should see an animation going on with this panel. And it's animated in from the right there. So we can do, let's put a couple in for the other little sections here. It's very easy, just select the section. and we'll give it the CSS class again. I'll put this in the description down below the video so you don't have to worry about copying it from the screen here. And I'll add bottom to this, so it'll come up from the bottom. And on this one, go to the custom CSS, and we'll add left to this one. Okay, we'll save that, update, and preview. Now then, when we refresh this, we should have one coming in from the right, one coming in from the left, and the middle one should be fading out from the bottom there. There we have it. I'll just do it one more time. And you can do that with any module you like, and it just adds a bit more dynamics to your site here. Okay, so that's showing you how to actually do it on each module. Of course, if you want to, you can do it on a whole row. We can have this whole row fade in or move in from one side or the other, whichever we want to do. It's very simple, exactly the same thing. Go to the custom CSS of the whole row, paste in our thing there, and just put in where you want it to fade in from. Let's go left and save it. Update. And preview. Now when we refresh, this whole row should come in from the left. As you can see there, it does, and they're also animating individually in between as well. You might have noticed that one that was animating up is now diagonally animating because it's having two classes. It's being pushed from the left as well as up, so it's going slightly diagonally, so you can get some quite good effects by using two at once. But you probably don't want to overdo it. I'll just take the classes off of these so it's a little bit clearer. So we'll just go in and delete these classes. And save it, and we'll take a look, and this time it should be a little more clear. They'll all be just fading in because they've only got the one action going on there. So now when I refresh, these should just all slide left slightly. There you have it. And that's one more time. There we are, they're sliding in from the left. So that's the easy way of animating any of your Divi modules that you really want to. If we want to take it a step further, we can go into our dashboard here, back to our page settings. We go to the options, and what we want to do is go to integration. We're going to add a bit of JavaScript here, and where it says add the code to the body, good for tracking code such as Google Analytics, I'm going to put in a little bit of script here. And again, I'll give you a link to this script so you don't have to worry about copying it. So this is a script I've actually put in there. And do a quick save. Then we'll go back to our page. What I'm going to do is I'll remove all the animations we've got there, which is only this one left on this particular line. And this time we're going to add a slightly different class. It's pretty much the same. It's ET-PB animated, but there's an actual call out called a waypoint. So if I put that in there, now this time it'll animate that whole section again, but it should be slightly bigger, slightly more of an impressive animation. We'll save it and take a look. There we are. If we just refresh that, it's a bit more of an animated effect there. Let's try it on this one. Let's do a fade out on that top one. Or fade in, I should say, custom class. And we'll give it a fade in class. And save it and take a look. See the way it fades in there. I'll just refresh that and show you again. And again, of course, you can apply this to any module or any section, any row, however you want to do it. And you can get some great effects. This is really fashionable at the moment, having a few little things going on here. So there you have it. There is how you animate your theme modules with the Divi theme. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and GreatWebDesign.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.